Want to make one of Korea's most colorful and satisfying rice dishes? Today, we are making classic Korean bibimbap. You will need cooked rice, beef, spinach leaf, carrots, mushroom, bean sprouts, spring onions, sesame seeds and Korean gochujang. First, season thinly sliced beef with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and a touch of sugar. Next, place the spinach briefly in boiling water, squeeze out the excess water, then season it simply with sesame oil and salt. Cut the carrots into thin strips and stir-fry them quickly until they're tender but still slightly crisp. Next, sauté sliced mushrooms until they're golden and fragrant. Give the bean sprouts a quick cook too. We want them tender while keeping some of their crunch. Now turn up the heat and cook the marinated beef until beautifully brown and cooked through. For the sauce, mix gochujang with sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, and a splash of water. Crack a fried egg with crispy edges and a perfectly runny yolk. Add hot steamed rice to a large bowl. Arrange your vegetables around the rice, keeping each ingredient in its own colorful section. Place the sizzling beef right in the center. Top everything with that crispy edge fried egg. Drizzle over as much spicy gochujang sauce as you like. Finish with toasted sesame seeds and a little green onion for freshness and crunch. And now comes the best part. You get spicy, savory, nutty, fresh, crunchy, and creamy all in one bite. And that's Korean bibimbap. Mix it up and enjoy. We would like to make more videos for your learning and enjoyment, so please click subscribe for more of our cooking videos.